Hey guys, Uncle Pip here. Welcome to the April 2026 Big Adventure Vlog video. And I just wanted to say this year is flying by. How do you like how I did that there? I had to retake the intro, I think, because of that scene. But hey, I think it was worth it. I had a good time. And I'm going to take you with me. We're actually doing a lot of stuff. Right now we're at the farm. I haven't been here in a long time. And we're dropping some stuff off. I'm going to take you with me as I do that. But at home, I'm also in the process of installing a mini split system inside a closet. And I've already videoed a lot of that, and I'll edit some of that in next. But I'm not done there yet either. I have an issue. See, I got it done, 100% done. And then I hooked everything up, started it, and it was leaking Freon. Pretty upset about that. So we're gonna have to fix that. I'm gonna have to take the entire unit off the wall, remount everything. It's gonna be a lot of more work. So today I'm actually dropping this off. I'm gonna put that on there for him. And that'll conclude my Christmas adventures for 2025. You're not supposed to understand that one. So let's dive in. Let's see here. Say he's wrong. He said that was a 2-inch ball. That's a 1 7/8, I think. I think that'll fit. Did it say somewhere? Yeah, I was right. Look at that. It's a 1 7/8. Do you think I have the wrench big enough for this? No, I don't. Why would I do that? I'm leaving it. I had just spent 5 minutes playing with it. I don't know what we're doing. This is the installation of the inside unit. Real quick, I was gonna show you me unboxing the inside unit, and I did that last night. And then I got finished, and I thought, wow, this video is great, and I was actually wearing my work uniform, so I'm not allowed to post it online. So yeah, there's that. You might see that on the private collection. Friends only. We have an update. We now have a hole in the inside and a hole on the outside. They are together, but they're not the same. Let me show you. You'll notice there's still a bit of wood there. We're trying to figure it out. There's like some lattice work or something. It's difficult. Here. You probably didn't see anything at all. But that's what we're dealing with. That's the update for now. Sketchy ladders, holes in walls, school buses. Alright, that's why we hired this guy. He is literally a professional. He came up with the best idea. We end up using a different saw, and that saw worked. Look at this. That's the outside, people. As you can tell, it's like 5 different walls and some, I don't even know what. You said it was some oak and some insulation and asbestos and some metal and some plywall or drywall and plywood. I tried to say all that together. I think it's a little bit of everything. The hardest part was the nails, but we're done, so we're going to go to the next step. I'm going to go to the professional because I don't even know the next step. But there you go. Battery's at 5%. I'm not going to get a lot of filming in, but here it is. Obviously, you see that we ran it through some PVC piping, and it's going to get hooked up right now. I just wanted to give an update. That's as much as I can do. I only got 5% on the battery, so I'm gonna. Well, that's gonna wrap up today's video. I don't think I actually got done everything I wanted to do, so I'm gonna have to do more at a later date. Maybe I'll film it, maybe I won't. I honestly don't know. But hope you enjoyed watching this video. Obviously, I enjoyed making it, and if you've made it this far to the end of the video, I gotta at least tell you what happened. The airplane was flying over Arkansas. That's as much as I'm willing to talk about. It was a good time. And I'll see you in the next video.